Hi. In this demo, I will be showing how to run an AI agent in order to capture and summarize details involving your Boomi license usage. Shown is the process that I'm using to execute from the agent. When this agent is prompted, the listener begins the execution. This passes details on the environment classification gathered in the agent prompt. In this case, the two main classifications are prod and test. Depending on what I submit from the agent prompt, the first HTTP step will gather the list of environments with that classification. We then run the getEnvironmentAttachments API to capture the runtimes that are part of the environments with that specific classification. From that point, we generate the licensing report. The reason there are two routes here is because a licensing report has to be acknowledged or downloaded before you can generate another. This route does a check to see if we get a 200 response that a report has been generated. If not a 200 response, the report URL is extracted from the response. Once the report URL has been passed, the next HTTP step downloads the given report and adds the data to the cache shape. At the bottom of the process in branch 2, the data is retrieved from the cache and formatted into one document. This document is then returned to the agent. Depending on the steps within your agent, the data will be displayed however you define it. In this case, I asked the agent to provide a summary involving the processes using these connections, as well as the component ID and process names. Here we can see the returned data in a chart, as well as a table displaying the different connections. Here we can see the breakdown of exactly where these connections are occurring. In this demo, the total number of connection in use is 11. The agent here is also configured to provide key observations, as well as commonalities in use. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's been educational. Thank you.